freshman, was the top player off the bench, although had to play in place of Darica Sims-Edwards. Another injured guard for Bradley.
Kelly fouled beyond the three-point line. The foul on and on your phone.
How about Kansas? Everybody is whispering Kansas State will displace Kansas as a premier team in the Big 12. And quietly, the Twins, they've been just dominating, and Kansas has just climbed up. And they are definitely still a force to be reckoned with. We're talking about the Morris twins, Markeith and Marcus.
They will always be a force. Just historically, they have to be. Kelly at the line, the sophomore from Raleigh, North Carolina, has 8 points. Gets a nice hand as he goes out, and Hairston comes in. Duke has extended its lead to 33. Bradley gave him a fight in the first half, but finally just wore down. This is Lemon, nice crossover. Warren gives it back, and the miss by Prosser, and out of bounds to Duke.
Well, Jim Les, when I talked to him before the game, he was philosophical about not only playing this game and recognizing the odds that his team was up against, but also about the injuries. And he recognizes he's probably going to get Taylor Brown, he's going to get Sam Maniscalco back next year. But he wants his guys to understand that, this is bigger than just this game. It's bigger than just this season. Life is going to throw you curveballs. You got to be able to adjust and adapt. So, in the midst of the bad times, it's a teaching experience.
Good ball movement, and wide open out of the corner is Milos Knisevic, the young man who emigrated with his family from Croatia to Las Vegas when he was 6 years old. Talking about culture shock.
I was just going to say, that's riding the elevator. And I'm not going to say in which direction either.
There you go. I think he hit the up button. 78-46 Blue Devils. That one's blocked almost inadvertently by Plumlee, who went up and just smothered it on the shot by Dunson.
That ball wasn't getting up to the rim.
That was an 8-foot layup.
Well, Andrew Warren getting some consolation. Not the kind of game that he would have expected or wanted, obviously, especially in a place here in Cameron.
Really strange shooting motion for Lemon sometimes with that spread eagle look.
Wild but effective.
If you can replicate it, that's all that matters. Hairston hesitated, then threw it, and it was too late. Dunson kicks it outside, and the three-pointer by Knisevic is off target. What a night by Dawkins. Knocks down another one. 28 points for Andre Dawkins. He has been lights out. He's hit 8 threes tonight. Dunson partially blocked. Follow no good. The foul's going to be on Hairston. Well, when they call your number, this was his first career start. Not a bad way to come through, huh?
I tell you what, when we came here 2 hours before game time, Andre Dawkins was one guy out here on the floor working on that shot.
What a nice stroke.
So
Crosser.
it's all about practice making perfect, or perfect practice making perfect. He was out here, he was working, there's no question about it, and it's good to see guys getting out here and preparing themselves and taking nothing for granted.
Well, in this program, if you're not working hard to get better, there's other guys that are, and they're going to pass you. Brick that one. Follow is blocked. Lemon. And Curry with a loose ball. Duke is going to win its 9th game of the year in 9 tries, and Mike Krzyzewski has just passed Adolph Rupp on the all-time win list in college basketball. He is number 3 all-time, only behind Dean Smith and Bobby Knight. Curry with a runner. 83-48. Lemon, nice pass, shot won't go. Good defense inside by Plumlee. And that'll do it. Number 3 all-time, 877 wins. Congratulations to Mike Krzyzewski.